Do you know you can actually make money without necessarily doing anything, just by folding your arm and you'll be making money? You may ask me, how do I do that? All right, stay tuned and grab some popcorn and sit tight, and I'm going to show you how you can actually make money without doing anything. Yes, you can actually own good amount of money every quarter without necessarily doing anything. I mean, you can own good amount of money, make good amount of money quarterly without necessarily doing anything. How? By just investing in dividend paying stock of company or dividend paying company. So what is a dividend paying company? Is a company that pays investors a certain amount of money for owning shares in that company. What they pay is called dividend. So a dividend is a percentage of a company's earning that is paid to its owners or its investors or its shareholders for owning a stake in the company. For instance, let's assume Procter & Gamble made $300 million after its cost of doing business, right? And it decided to pay 50% of that $300 million to its shareholders. Now, 50% of that $200 billion is $150 million. So they have 1,000 shareholders or 10,000 shareholders or 100,000 shareholders, and they divide that amount of money to their shareholder based on the amount of shares that they own. Now, let me give you an example. I bought a little portion of Coca-Cola I bought a little portion of Coca-Cola at 1st of July, and guess what? At the 2nd of July, they were paying dividend to its shareholders, and I got paid. It may look very little amount of money, but I got paid. Now let's take, for instance, you are paid $1 and you own 20,000 shares of Procter & Gamble, for instance. So you are paid $1 and you own 20,000 shares. What that means is that you are paid $20,000 every quarter. Every quarter, guys, every quarter you pay 20,000 for doing nothing. That's what I mean by you can actually make good amount of money by doing nothing. So I want to ask you a question. What is your horizon for investment, or what is your objective for investment? Do you want to invest because you want to make passive income? Passive income means that you are making good amount of money every period of time without necessarily doing anything. That's passive income. So you want to ask yourself, I want to invest in the share market or in the stock market, but for the purpose of making dividends quarterly. So what you should be doing is that you want to be searching for companies that pays dividend, maybe in the Standard & Poor's 500 or in the Financial Times 100 or 250. Right? So you want to search out those companies, then you want to invest in those companies for the purpose of making dividend quarterly. But if yours is just to increase in value, let's say you want to invest $10,000, but your horizon is that you want that $10,000 to grow to about $20,000. Yours is investment for the purpose of growth, capital gain. So you invest in Procter & Gamble and the shares is $50, and by the next 1 year the share is $100. Yours is just for the purpose of increasing the capital invested in the company. So your choice is yours. What do you want to get? Is it capital gain, or you just want to make residual income? That would be a choice to make. But for me, I think I want to invest in a company that pays residual income. I mean, that pays dividend every quarter. I want to see some amount of money coming to my account every time. I mean, I can be able to live that life that I desire to live. All right. So in conclusion, what is your choice? Are you looking for a company that pays dividends, or are you looking for a company that is just growth based? You just want the share value to increase, or you're even looking for the both? Comment below. Until next time, don't forget to stay green and always stay profitable. Cheers and bye for now. Please don't forget to comment, like, and share also. Cheers.